Meaning of fieldcraft.
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 Fieldcraft. Fieldcraft refers to the skills and techniques used by military personnel and other outdoor enthusiasts to survive and operate in the field. It encompasses a wide range of abilities, including map reading, camouflage, stalking, reconnaissance, and first aid. The ultimate result of fieldcraft is to enable individuals to operate effectively and safely in a variety of environments, whether in combat situations or during outdoor activities such as hunting and camping. Through the mastery of fieldcraft, individuals are able to adapt and overcome challenges while remaining undetected and achieving their objectives.